This is Timmy. He is a 1999 Mini Cooper. This is the John Cooper Ellie edition, and I've owned him for a few years now, using him as a daily driver. It's fair to say that the Mini Cooper is one of the most fun and exciting cars I've had the pleasure of driving. Perfect for British B roads and nipping about town, Timmy is a car I'd like to continue using for years to come. So, here's where the Restoring Timmy the Mini project comes in. British weather hasn't been kind and the previous owner stored him outside, exposed to the elements. It'd be fair to say this has taken its toll on the bodywork and subframes. There are some serious rust problems lurking underneath, but here's just a few of the issues on the surface that I can show. There's also a few knocks and dents. And while we're at it, this engine bay could do with some work. Over the coming months I aim to restore Timmy back to or beyond the day he left the production line. This means a full strip down for bodywork, rust prevention, respray and rebuild. Oh yeah, and the wheels. I love these gold mini lights, but I've always had a bit of an issue with the colour. Just a bit custard to my eye, so I'll address this also. I also have a few quality of life improvements planned, but more of that in episode 1. So, if you want to follow Timmy's progress, please like and subscribe. You can even check out the Patreon if you want to support further production of these videos and the restoration process. See you there.